So to get started, we're going to click on an empty or blank or basic, I should say, slide. We're getting rid of all of the text boxes, and we're going to shrink this slide down to 50%. And this is so that we can slide our shapes off of the slide. So let's just draw a quick circle here, and we'll just line it up. And so we got our circle on our first slide. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to have this circle to slide into the slide. So we're going to duplicate this slide, and so now you see actually we're going to do this on slide number 1. So you're going to click on your circle and you're going to move it completely off of the slide altogether, and this is on slide number 1. You're going to go to animate, you're going to go to add an effect. First of all, before I forget, click off of the circle, click on the slide itself. Now go to animate, go to add an effect, and magic move. Okay, so what this is going to do, and we're going to click for this to start automatically, hit play, and you're going to see the circle gradually just move into the frame there. Easy peasy. I really love using magic move. It works great. The next thing we'll do to fancy this up a little bit, we'll just create some text. And we're going to want this text to kind of move into the frame onto the circle after the magic move animation. So we're going to just change this to small title, and we'll change the font. That looks okay. I don't really care so much. Let me just change the color of this font. So I'll change it to white. I'll put an outline around this. I'll change that to black. It doesn't look that great. I don't know. Maybe let's put some drop shadow. There you go. All right. It's okay. It's good enough for what we're going to do today. So, all right. So now that we've done the animation for the circle, we are going to do the animation for the text. Drift, no, because we don't want it to drift off the page. Let's go to move in. So that's more of what we want to do, but we're going to get rid of the bounce, and we're going to speed up the duration of the animation. And we'll go ahead and go to the build order, and we're going to click to make sure this starts automatically after the transition, and that looks more of what we want to do. So if we click on the first slide and we go to play this, this is what we get. Boom. There you go. Not too bad of an animation, pretty easy to do, and only took us a couple of minutes and we're done. And so that's pretty much it.
Want to support this channel? Please visit my swag store and purchase some Gregory Sykes swag today. Each purchase helps support me so that I can bring you more of the content you need to be successful at YouTube. You can visit the store by clicking on the link within my YouTube channel header, or head over to gregorysykes.net and clicking on the store link there.